Well, it's been a minute, and I'm gonna do a little different video. More raw, more just hammering, working, and not as much editing, if any, depending. So I'm pretty much just gonna get to work and do stuff and put you in the best spot I can on a time lapse and go from there. So I hope you enjoy me working and probably some entertainment of me getting annoyed and mad about whatever thing that decides to be a royal pain in the rear end. Love to swear, but try and avoid it, at least in videos. So I want to get to work and enjoy. Some honestly small, but in reality, major progress. Those are tight, new inner tie rod in, reused, basically new used-ish, like drove probably once outer tie rods. That's about it. Maybe it got driven. I don't remember. I might be wrong. So, but brakes are on, brake line is on the caliper. Basically everything with the brakes, everything with the suspension, and all that really needs to be done is some ties, probably not just like zip ties. I might just do zip ties because I got some heavy duty big ones, and I got a heavy duty kind of. Oh, come on. Okay, psych with a sneeze apparently. But I think all I really need to do on this side is do some paint marking, torque the tie rod end down, or the end link to the knuckle, and then drill a hole for a cotter pin, and then that is technically done, besides putting zip ties on that boot for the inner tie rod. And this side's done. I think what I'm gonna do is, for this, is put some zip ties here and here, clamping, because I can already see it like right here, wanting to do stuff that I don't want it to do, and I hope there's enough like play If there's not enough for a normal zip tie, I got the same ones that, excuse me, well, something happened. One of the same ones that I'm going to use for that boot for the inner tie rod. Like the metal, I think like these. It's hard to tell, but they're like kind of stainless steel bands. I can't think of what they're actually called. I don't want to waste too much time on like technical jargon in that realm. I probably got them in a completely different box. Okay, they are somewhere else, and I don't know where they are, which doesn't make me nervous, but it makes me wonder where I put them. There's gotta be somewhere. Yeah, a ton technically. I don't know. I'll look for them. I don't feel like doing it right now. They're somewhere. But I'm gonna stop babbling. I'm gonna be done for the night because it is 8:30, and I had to trim the inner tie rod so the length would work better. Okay, I'm still looking up for it. All right, focus. All right, I'm done for the tonight to working, and hopefully I can just get this up, and you know it's a whatever video, however that makes sense. It's something. So all right, I'm still alive. Okay, thank you for watching. Much appreciated. If you liked the video, like it. Subscribe if you're curious. Because I got so many plans for this year, and definitely plans on videos. But the focus right now is STPR. Only race of the year. Next year is going to be different, but thank you for watching. Come again.